And so it makes me very sad to see the grocery stores transform now into what I call the garbage stores, as a lot of the foods in there are, garbage. I would love to see the garbage stores revert back into grocery stores and have real food, meats, fish, eggs, dairy, fruits, veggies, things that are just one ingredient.
The foundation of our diet is ingredients that we aren't biologically made to eat, that didn't exist 100 years ago. The foundation of our diet is three things when you look at any label. It's added sugar, processed sugar, which basically didn't exist 100 years ago, it's just from natural sources, ultra-processed grains, which were invented 100 years ago. The processing takes the fiber off. They're basically hidden sugars, devoid of nutritional value, and seed oils. Seed oils are the top source of American calories. And this is actually
seed oil, the top source of American calories.
Soybean oil, canola oil. This is the baseline of American calories right now. And these seed oils were actually created by John D. Rockefeller as a byproduct of oil production. It's basically engine lubricant. And the Rockefeller and those aligned with him actually lobbied to have this suitable for human consumption.
And so my family has kind of been getting the idea that it's those three ingredients that we want to avoid, but it wasn't until he confirmed it that they finally told me just yesterday that they have removed 95% of the seed oil products that they have in their house, getting rid of lots of the processed junk foods in their pantry, and it just made me so happy. That was my win for the week. Even though I've been seeing new processed junk food concoctions and fast food, different kind of crazy menus and things, overall I have been seeing a lot more social media content and posts and people talking about the big three that I think are naughty, and it's just been so exciting to see like a health revolution is taking place.
The thing that is so imperative for people to understand is that the reasons we're having surgery, the reasons why we're getting sick, the reasons why kids are chronically ill, half of the kids in America are chronically ill, are all from preventable issues.